Hey there, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and earlier you spoke with my partner Jeff and requested this free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can um, start applying right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence as well as getting more organic leads. One important thing to note is that nearly 70% of your organic leads come from this website. So it is really important that your website be properly built and optimized so you can capture that traffic. All right, so here we are on your website. You've got a good looking website. I love that you have a separate page for each of your major services, which is really good. That is really important. It allows you to build content around those specific services focused on your local buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords people are actively searching in your area for your specific services. I also love that you have your call to action up here with your click to call for the phone numbers. That's awesome. You want to make it as super easy for your customers as possible to reach you. Let's see here. So it looks like these are interlinking pages to your services. Your coverage area. And that's pretty much it. So Google does not rank websites on appearance. It is ranked based on content. Content is key, and you do need to have a lot of content. Your home page should be the strongest page of your entire website. And it's meant to be a summary of each of your major services and focused on the local keywords for your main service area. And then, since you're servicing multiple areas, you should also have separate service area pages, which would be like mini home pages, doing the exact same thing, summaries of each service, focused around the local keywords specific to that city or area. So those are two really big things that you're going to need to work on. Content is key. You're going to need 1,000 to 1,500 words or more, depending on what your competitors are doing for your home page. Whatever your competitors are doing, you're going to need to do more of. And so you need 250 words for every keyword that you're going to target. And you want to make sure that you're not targeting the same keyword on multiple pages, and that all pages have their own original content and you're not duplicating content. So there needs to be ample content throughout your entire website so that you're actually able to go after those keywords. And keep in mind there's several variations of the same type of keyword, and not everybody searches the same way. So you want to capitalize on those keywords so that you can capture as much of that traffic as possible. So if we look at your top competitor, we have for asbestos, we have Lawton CR, and they have an okay site. Maneuvering it is a little bit more challenging. They do have different service pages, but you have to click through a bunch of pages to get there. They have service areas, but they don't have service area pages, so they're missing the boat on that. No click to call phone number up here. And so now you can see kind of how they've broken out their services, but then each of these services do actually have their own pages and their service area. But not a whole lot of content. So they are definitely lacking in a lot of areas as well. But they are actually ranking for some of the local keywords. And so they're actually able to outrank you organically. So to beat them, it shouldn't be real difficult. You definitely have to have more content and really focus on that keyword strategy, and then support your website with SEO, because without search engine optimization, you will not be found online. So here we are on Ahrefs. It helps us to see how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have an 11 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow for your website as a whole. And this score is based 100% on your backlinks and referring domains. This is not too bad of a score, especially with only having this many backlinks. Now, while you do need a lot of backlinks, not all backlinks are good. They don't work, not all work for every type of industry. So you want to stay focused on authoritative backlinks that are directly related to your services and that are do follows. And Google will only give you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So if we look, you actually only have 18 that are do follows. So you only have 18 good links doing anything to help your website. You have been indexed for 70 keywords, but you're only getting 19 people to your website on average per month. Looking at your keywords, you do have a couple on the first page of Google. Asbestos removal, this is good. This is good. This keyword here, part of your phone number, isn't going to do anything to help you get customers. And then you also have a lot of national keywords. National keywords may be high in volume, but even if you do rank them to the first page of Google, they're generally not ever going to convert into a local customer. National keywords are only good if you're servicing the entire country. If you're not, you need to stick to local keywords because those national keywords are going to drive traffic, but they're going to drive traffic from around the country. Very few percentage, if any, will ever be local. So if you want to convert customers, you need to stick to your local keywords. And if we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 7 with 600 backlinks, over 100 referring domains. Of those, 97 are do follow. So you do need to beat their 97 do follow referring domains in quantity and quality. They have over 800 keywords indexed, and they're getting over 200 people to their website on average per month. That's really low considering the amount of pages they have, the content. So they have a lot of work to do as well. So they should be fairly easy for you guys to beat. Now, the next part of this is your Google business profile. You want to make sure that you're in the top 3, like you are here for Cordova. You want to be in the top 3 for each service area and keywords because 30% of people search here and don't go anywhere else. So actually it looks like you have 2 listings here. You might want to, that's interesting. They must be 2 separate locations. So you want to make sure that you are in the top 3 because 30% of people search here and don't go anywhere else. If you're not in the top 3 for one of your areas or keywords, then you're going to want to further optimize those pages, making sure that you get more citations, which is the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor, and you will need more of those than your top competitors. If you follow each of these tips I have provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be #1 across Google for your services and service areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.